I need 60 days to be able to generate $10,000 in order to fix my M3 by flipping cars. Full time. So now I have 60 days to make this work or I go broke.
I quit my job to flip cars, and now I'm running out of time. This might have been a mistake. And this is where it all begins with a $2,000 BMW 325i.
There are a couple things that remain to be done on the car. And then the most difficult part comes, selling the car for profit in order to survive. We did struts, brakes, sensor, windshield washer fluid. Whatever that was broken on the car was all fixed. You might ask yourself, why 2 months to make $10,000? Well, because one of the most prestigious shops in my area agreed and decided to work on this on June 1st. That is the only time slot they have available, and I don't want to miss my chance for one of the best shops that I know to work on this car and make it look perfect. From about 6 feet away, the car looks perfect. But as you approach, you're gonna see one of the biggest mistakes I've done to this car. This used to be a sunroof car and we converted it to a slick top. If you actually look, there is dents on the roof because we didn't do a proper job. So in order to fix the dents on the car, it's going to take me $10,000. You heard that correctly. 10 grand. Now let's finish this thing up and get it ready for sale. Alright, so the first issue that we're addressing is the airbag light that we have on the dash right now. Now, in order to replace that, it's very time consuming and you have to bypass it like in a very weird way. So I think what I'm gonna do, I might just sell the car with the airbag light on, negotiate a little bit more, and that saves us time basically to find the next flip and buy it. I mean, look at this thing. It turned out so good. I almost feel bad selling it. So I guess the only thing that's left on the car to do is a once over on the exterior, give it a nice bath, and after that, I will be posting it for sale. All right, it's time for a price breakdown. All the prices are going to be in US dollars, and let's start with this one. I bought this car for $2,032, and I spent about $180 in maintenance. So that's $180 in parts, no labor, I did all the labor. So the parts combined with the price of the car comes down to $2,212, which is crazy considering it is a rear-wheel drive manual car. And these, in that generation, they're pretty rare to find. And not to mention that it only has 100,000 miles. $2,000 for this thing is really good price. Now, with all things considered, given the price point that we bought the car at and the money that we invested in it for maintenance, I will attempt to sell this car for $4,000. And then we continue until we get to our price goal in order to be able to fix the roof on my M3. Now, moving on to the M3. I know I said I need $10,000. The $10,000 is in Canadian. So in reality, in US, I needed about $7,300 in order to fix this roof. And I know it's absolutely crazy. Most of you in the comments are gonna say this is ridiculous and it's only a roof. You should keep it this way. I completely agree with you, but you have to remember this is a world-renowned shop and they charge based on the excellence of their work. Now, you also have to remember I quit everything to be able to pursue this dream. Not only do I need to attain the goal, but I also need to make money in order to survive. Call me stupid, but chasing your dream comes at a price. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to make it, but I will definitely give it my best shot. And I know what's the worst part of this. People will tell you that it's stupid, that you shouldn't have quit your job, but at the end of the day, I feel more fulfilled and more happy doing this, at this point earning no money at all, and working at a 6-figure job and feeling empty. Do what you love and the money will always follow.
All right, so here's the final product. She cleaned up very nicely. And now I found a quiet little spot next to the water to be able to take a couple of pictures for a marketplace. But all in all, I'm super happy with how the car came out. All right, so from the front, you're gonna take a 3/4 shot to be able to see the side of the car as well as the front. Then you move on to the front of the car. You take a frontal shot. You're able to do the same thing on the left side as well, 3/4 shot. Then you move over and you take a picture of the full side of the car. And you move on to the back of the car. And then you do the same shot as you did in the front. And then last but not least, you take a couple of detailed shots of what's wrong with the car. You write a good description and afterwards you should be able to post it. But we are in a very big rush to be able to sell this car because we need to move on to the next one.
Okay, the car is officially up for sale. Here's the ad. And yeah, now we wait and let's hope that this thing can sell quickly so we can move on to the next car. I'm very excited to see what it is. I don't know yet what I'm going to buy, but tune in on the next video and then you'll be able to find out as well. And before I go, I just wanted to say that the choice I made by quitting my job made me happier than I ever been, because this is something that I've been waiting to do for such a long time, but I just couldn't make the decision to do it. It's scary to take that leap of faith, but trust me, when you do, you will feel so happy. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. It does help out a lot. And as always, I think this has become a thing at this point in the videos. You know what it is? Go do the thing.